Hi everyone, I'm Stacy Borocz and I'm here in our etúHOME store today, and I'm very excited because I'm here with Alisa of Bella Cucina. And Alisa is here because one of our favorite and one of our top sellers is her artichoke pesto dip, which we absolutely love. And we now love our brand new artichoke fall harvest board, which we're so excited about. It's our new charcuterie board. And Alisa is going to show us how to use her artichoke pesto dip to serve on our board so you guys can spice up your fall.
Yeah, so I'm so glad to be here, and Stacy and I both have a common philosophy about having beautiful items, essentials in your kitchen and food that elevate your everyday. And so today we're going to show you one of our most popular recipes with our best-selling Oprah O-list artichoke, and we're going to be making an artichoke dip. And it's super simple. It's just a couple of ingredients. We've got 1 jar of artichoke pesto. So I'm just going to open that up. And we've got these gorgeous little, cute little antique spoons that they sell here in the shop.
Yeah, those are some of my favorite.
Love them. Absolutely. They're hand carved,
They
aren't
are
they?
hand carved.
Beautiful.
Found in Europe. We love those.
So we've got 1 jar of artichoke pesto, super simple. Got about a cup of grated Parmesan cheese or ground Parmesan cheese. And you just want to save a little bit out because we're going to put that on the top. And then we've got a little bit of mayonnaise, just a 1/4 cup. These are just kind of essential ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry anyway, so super simple. Just 3 ingredients. How simple is that?
That's good for me.
And then we're using these cute little bowls from etúHOME for mise en place, which I love. I'm a big fan of having everything all set out and make the experience beautiful. I think it really makes you feel better if you have beautiful dishes to work with from start to finish. And we're just mixing in this gorgeous mixing bowl and just want to blend it. And then we're going to put it in this cute little baker. And it actually makes quite a bit, that little jar. By the time you add the other ingredients, you've got enough dip to feed about 6 to 8 people, which is really
does.
amazing.
It's a lot harder than I imagined when looking at the jar.
Absolutely.
But that's a nice size baker, so it's filled it very well.
It is. It actually, that's the perfect size, perfect amount to fill with that. And then we're just going to take a little bit of the cheese, Parmesan cheese. Want to get a nice little browned crispiness. Put it on top. And then this just gets baked in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. Really simple. And we already have one baked for you.
And Alisa, do you cover it when you bake it?
So you bake it uncovered, and then you'll put the cover on to keep it warm.
Perfect.
So then when you're ready to serve it, you can just put it out.
Amazing.
And a neat little trick you can do to keep it warm, you can maybe put 2 boards here and put a little tea light candle, and it'll keep it warm while you're eating, which is great. So I just like to, again, presentation is everything. Using your boards, we can use the artichoke board or this beautiful round board, and you can use one of these spoons to serve it. And then we've got some of the dipping crackers. All of these essential products are on etúHOME online, or you can find them in the Around Lenox store. And we're just going to serve it with some dipping crackers. So I like to have a variety of things to serve it with, just because people like different things. So you can put the crackers, serve it with the crackers. And this is one of the newest products that we have that
very
I
excited
just
about.
love. So you already, we have the salts. Most of you already know about the wild oregano and sage salt, which is our most popular salt, as you know. Just a great ingredient to use for so many things. But this is the pane rustico flatbread. And this becomes this. You just brush it with olive oil and sprinkle it with salt and bake it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and you get this gorgeous stack. So you can serve it with either one.
And I wouldn't have imagined this. And what I love is taking the board, and Alisa, hand me that, because I am just seeing the greatest hostess gift ever, okay?
Love.
And then I need a jar of the dip.
Yes.
Oh, here, I've got it right here.
Okay.
So, and then even
Got the
some of
salts.
right.
Perfect.
And
That's a
even
great
if you want to
combination.
continue to add, you can add the little baker on top of it. So this is back to my waitress days. So here we go. So I just think that's a beautiful. Can you imagine walking in?
I would love to get that. For sure.
Me too, everybody. I would like it also. So I love this.
That's a great holiday. And holidays coming, so for sure keep that in mind. And you can also serve it with a couple of vegetables if you don't want to have crackers. But this you have, and also if you're entertaining for a crowd, we've got the grande size jar and this wonderful baker, which I love. So this will fill this dish.
Yeah, and I want to share this one because this is our new tapas plank, which is great for individual eating or in COVID distance serving spaces. But I also love it because this serves as your trivet. So if this comes hot out of the oven, you can place it on the board, and then you can also mix and match between that and this board as well. So I think the look with all of the green, it just feels so beautiful.
And then you've got the cute little mini plate.
That's my actual favorite.
Love this. Platter as plate. This is great. So either way, serving that, I think it's just a great idea.
Great. I love it. Thank you.
And there you have it. Artichoke dip, Bella Cucina, etúHOME, a great pairing.
We really are.
Thanks for joining
We go way back, you guys. We really do. So,
thanks
everyone.